So let me ask you something. If you could only master one skill right now, just one, what would it be? Coding, design, learning how to escape 9 to 5 capitalism using affiliate links and hope? No, wrong, all wrong. Because in 2025, the best skill in the world isn't any of those. It's not even technical. The best skill is learning how to learn. And yeah, I'm very serious. Learning how to learn is the ultimate cheat code because tech changes faster than your sleep schedule during finals week. You can be the best JavaScript dev in the world and then suddenly everyone's like, yo bro, you don't even know Rust? You're basically unemployed. Now let me explain why this skill is S-tier. Imagine this, one person spends 6 months watching a Python tutorial and still can build a to-do app. Another person who's mastered how to learn Googles the same thing, finds the answer, tests it, breaks it, fixes it and ships it in 3 days. Who do you think wins in life? It's not about knowing everything, it's about figuring things out faster than everyone else. We live in a time where you can learn anything for free right now on your phone while sitting on the toilet. You just need a goal, the internet, a disturbing amount of caffeine, and that's it. So if you're bad at figuring stuff out, you're going to fall behind faster than an AI model with no training data. But what does learn how to learn even mean? Well, it means knowing how to Google. Yeah, that's a real skill. Being able to take crap info and spot what's actually useful. Building projects before you feel ready, and most importantly, being okay with looking dumb for a while. Because you will look dumb, and that's okay, we all start there. But now for real, the world is changing every 6 minutes. AI is rewriting how we work, design tools are turning into creative god mode, programming is now autocomplete on steroids, new frameworks drop every Tuesday like Marvel trailers. If you can't learn fast, adapt fast and pivot like a startup in panic mode, you're going to be stuck. Not because you're not smart, but because you waited for permission to learn the next thing, while someone else just started googling it. So what now? Want to stay relevant in the future? Here's the blueprint. Learn fast, break stuff, fix it and repeat. Maybe cry a little, then fix the new thing you just broke while crying and repeat again, this time with snacks. If you can do that consistently, you won't just keep up, you'll quietly outpace 90% of people still waiting for the perfect time to start. Trends will come and go, tools will change, but the people who can adapt, they win. So yeah, go learn. Not because school said so, not because LinkedIn influencers guilt-tripped you into it, but because being curious is the only real skill they can't automate. And if they ever do automate that too, I for one welcome our new robot overlords.